Losing your saved passwords can feel like being locked out of your digital life, but don't panic. First, open Google Chrome, then click on the three dots located at the top right corner of your browser window. This opens the Chrome menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to Chrome's Settings page where you can manage various browser options. In the Settings page, look for the search bar at the top. Type passwords into the search bar to quickly find the password management options. From the search results, select Password Manager. This will direct you to Chrome's built-in Password Manager, where all your saved passwords are stored. In the Password Manager, look on the top right for a settings gear icon and click on it, then select the Import Password option. Chrome may ask you provide the password of the Google account to sync back the passwords. Enter the correct password to kickstart the restoration. Once completed, Chrome will automatically import your deleted passwords back into the manager. Now you can view, edit, or remove the required password for regular usage. This saves you the immense stress of resetting all accounts individually.